Today's defense highlights. VinFast in talks with Adani and Megha Engineering for joint venture. ITBT department signs MoU with DRDO to promote defense startups at Bengaluru Tech Summit. Indian startup PierSight unveils first all-weather maritime surveillance satellite. The second India-Japan Joint Service Staff talks conclude in New Delhi. DRDO plans to expand Pinaka rocket system with three extended range variants of 120, 150 and 200 kilometers. Hindustan Aeronautics to manufacture critical engine components and landing gear parts in new high-capacity forging facility. IIT Madras team working to triple Pinaka rocket launcher range with Ramjet technology. Norway puts France, Germany, UK and US in the frame for future frigate partnership. Army picks Red Cat's small quadcopter in second short-range reconnaissance tranche. The news in detail. Vietnamese electric car maker VinFast is holding separate discussions with Hyderabad headquartered Megha Engineering and Infrastructures and also Adani Group to form a partnership before launching its cars. VinFast, which is in the process of setting up a factory in Tamil Nadu, had initiated conversations with the two companies as it looks to raise a part of the capital through a local partner. Also, it believes that having a local partner will be helpful in navigating the regulatory environment, labor relations, and in development of a credible and cost-effective component supplier base. Megha Engineering is currently making buses under the Electra brand name with technical support from China's largest electrical vehicle maker BYD. It has a factory of buses on the outskirts of Hyderabad. Megha's attempt to form a JV for cars with BYD, where the Chinese company wanted to invest $1 billion in India, was not approved by the government. ITBT department signed a MoU with DRDO on cooperation and promotion of defense startups and testing facilities. DRDO will not just help startups develop their idea but also handhold them to make them unicorns. Indian space tech startup PierSight has announced the Varuna satellite that will deliver 24 by 7 all-weather maritime surveillance. The Varuna mission that aims to redefine maritime intelligence with an in-orbit demonstration of groundbreaking imaging technology is the first step by PierSight to establish a constellation of synthetic aperture radar and automatic identification system satellites. This SAR and AIS satellite constellation will provide 100% ocean coverage with up to 30-minute revisit times. Unlike conventional optical satellites, synthetic aperture radars aboard the satellite can see even through cloud cover, extreme weather, and night time. This enables PierSight's dedicated maritime-focused constellation to offer persistent monitoring, a vital tool to accurately track ship movements, detect oil spills, and geofencing critical infrastructure such as undersea cables and pipelines. The second India-Japan Joint Service Staff talks JSST between the IDS and the Joint Staff of Japan Self-Defense Force concluded on 20th of November in Delhi. In recognition of the evolving dynamics of the modern warfare, both countries expressed a shared commitment in fostering collaboration in space and cyber technologies as vital components of their defense partnerships. The JSST is a forum for advancing defense cooperation through regular and high-level operational discussions between India and Japan. These meetings serve as a key platform for fostering close professional collaboration between the armed forces of the two nations. The JSST successfully reinforced the bilateral defense relationship between both sides, pledging to build on the progress achieved and to meet regularly for further discussions. This commitment reflects the long-term strategic partnership between the two nations based on mutual trust, respect, and shared values. DRDO is advancing its Pinaka rocket system by developing three new extended range variants that 120 kilometers, 150 and 200 kilometers. This development marks a significant enhancement in India's artillery capabilities, aiming to provide the army with more versatile and precise long-range strike options. The Pinaka system, named after Lord Shiva's bow, was initially designed as a multiple rocket launcher to replace the outdated Soviet-era Grad BM-21 systems. It has been in service since its first deployment during the Kargil War in 1999, where it demonstrated its effectiveness in delivering rapid and devastating firepower against enemy positions. The two key features of the Pinaka system: the rapid fire capability. The system can launch 12 rockets in just 44 seconds, covering an area of 700 by 500 meters. The current range: the existing models have a range up to 75 kilometers, with ongoing developments aimed at extending this significantly. The planned extended range variants are poised to enhance the operational flexibility of the Army. 120 kilometers. This version aims to improve battlefield flexibility for short-range tactical engagements, ensuring greater accuracy. The 150-kilometer variant is designed for mid-range engagements. This variant allows for rapid responses and concentrated firepower on targets within its range. The 200-kilometer variant represents a substantial leap in capability, enabling strikes deep into enemy territory and providing options previously unavailable with shorter range systems. Hindustan Aeronautics is taking a major step towards bolstering India's aerospace manufacturing capabilities with the establishment of a new high-capacity forging facility. This cutting-edge facility will be crucial for producing critical components used in aircraft engines and landing gear. Equipped with advanced machinery like hydraulic presses and isothermal forging presses, the facility will manufacture complex, high-strength forgings such as discs, blisk, shafts for aero engines, bulkheads, and landing gear parts. These components are essential for aircraft performance and reliability, and their production within India will significantly reduce dependence on imports. Hindustan Aeronautics has issued a request for quotation for engineering consultancy services to kickstart the project. The selected consultant will be responsible for developing a comprehensive project report, including technical specifications, cost estimates, and a detailed project timeline. Further, the consultant will conduct market research to identify potential suppliers and partners for this ambitious undertaking. This strategic investment by Hindustan Aeronautics aligns with the Indian government's vision of transforming the nation into a global aerospace manufacturing hub. By establishing this new facility, Hindustan Aeronautics aims to reduce reliance on imports. Producing these critical components domestically will decrease dependence on foreign suppliers, ensuring a more secure and self-reliant aerospace supply chain. Enhance domestic manufacturing capabilities. The facility will contribute to the development of advanced manufacturing skills and technologies within India. It will also boost the Indian aerospace industry. This initiative will create new jobs and stimulate growth across the aerospace sector. A team of researchers of IIT Madras, led by Lieutenant General P.R. Shankar, former Director General of Artillery, is developing Ramjet propulsion technology for the Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launcher system. This breakthrough could potentially triple the range of the Pinaka, a key component of India's artillery arsenal. Currently, the Pinaka Mark II, which utilizes a high-energy composite solid-fuel rocket motor, has a maximum range of 75 kilometers. By integrating Ramjet propulsion, the team aims to extend this range significantly while maintaining the system's operational flexibility. Ramjet technology offers a distinct advantage over traditional rocket motors. As an air-breathing engine, it utilizes the vehicle's forward motion to compress incoming air for combustion, eliminating the need to carry oxidizers and increasing efficiency at high speeds. This allows for sustained thrust throughout the projectile's flight, reducing drag and enabling longer trajectories. Lieutenant General Shankar estimates that incorporating Ramjet propulsion could extend the Pinaka's range to approximately 225 kilometers. In the global news, Norway has officially shortlisted 4 countries it will consider as options to support a future frigate strategic partnership. France, Germany, UK, and US are set to receive invitations to begin discussions on the matter. A strategic partner for the effort is due to be picked up in 2025. Between 5 and 6 new frigates could be ordered to meet a requirement set out in Norway's long-term defense plan. The future ships will also be capable of embarking anti-submarine helicopters. Additionally, the proposed partnership will cover joint acquisition, operation, maintenance, continuous development and upgrades of the new frigates throughout their service life. US Army announced it has picked systems made by Red Cat subsidiary Teal Drones for the service short-range reconnaissance program of record. Skydeo's RQ-28A quadcopter was picked up as the first tranche of the SRR program and was first delivered to soldiers in 2022, one of which noted at that time that the man-portable drones were so new that the service didn't have tactics, techniques and procedures for using them in operations. That's all the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and we will be happy to get a feedback from you. Thank you.